It's Joanne. I wanted to show you how to organize and style with these must-have media shelves. They're great for movie DVDs or CDs if you like to collect music CDs. This is the shelf for you. They're designed to maximize small spaces with this sleek shelving. It can hold 36 DVDs or 60 CDs, making it clutter-free and easily accessible. It's also perfect for gamers. So you can put this on as a floating shelf next to your gaming console, have easy access to all your games. You can display them. You can also put some accessories on there to elevate your game room as well. They're versatile in function. You can do them vertically or horizontally. I have mine vertically here. They can hold video games, movies, any collectibles or figurines, or even books, while giving your space a modern touch. There's no assembly needed. It comes with all the tools. It's got some screws and it's got the brackets to put it on the shelf. Easy instructions to help you navigate and put them up. So what I'm going to do is add yet another shelving unit, probably go up here on either side because I have more movies to add. It's so easy to install. You're going to enjoy this. You can install it anywhere. It's instant organization. I love it.